Alright, well, welcome back. We're going to give this a shot. I don't know why it's being so wackadoodled, but of course it is. We'll just give it a shot. I'm going to run through this really quickly then, just because... Let's see if this is the right one. Yeah, I'm back. Maybe that's not the right one. Alright. I hate technical difficulties. It's so irritating. So very irritating. Okay. Oh, TLT. Yeah, I probably would have made a little bit of money off of that. Alright. Alright, so our list for today is going to be, we got DK and G. I'm going to check out Mara real quick. Mara is trading with price action. We got a dark pool level that came in yesterday, or the 19th at 22.85. That's going to provide some pretty significant resistance for Mara. There's going to be a lot of volatility around it today. Like I said, Kathy Woods and Elon Musk will be speaking at a BTBT conference. I don't know where I saw that. Yeah, so there'll be a BTBT conference. We've got the algos trading with price action. Really, for me, if we can get above and close above that block trade level, then I'd look at getting into Mara to the long side, right? Considering that there's really no block trades, above that, this is a little bit of bullish divergence that you see here, right? So if we can get above previous highs, right? So we ran up, we ran into, tapped the 4-hour Keltner channel top. We've got this monthly cloud right here. Like, this is all going to be a little bit of congestion. So 2550 to 2750 to 2950 to 3050. Those are going to be the steps for Mara. But it all starts with that close above, for me, 2550. That gets me out of the 4-hour Keltner channel top and into the daily. We may pop up into 2550, retrace back down, but as long as we don't close below 24, then we may run to the long side, just depending on how volatile it gets. We've got a squeeze forming, high compression squeeze. We've got a 5-minute really, really high compression squeeze. MACD's curling over. It's kind of neutral but increasing and positive. Stochastics and RSI signal line is still a little negative. We may be a little early on this, but I do like Mara in that the algo has diverged. But I do have to pay attention and respect this 4-hour Keltner channel top for a reversal back down to 2350. I like the 2350 as support. Pretty significant, right? So Mara, 25 is going to be such a hard level for it. Yeah. Let me just see what Fib has to say here. And we go from here to here. Yeah, Fib says 2560, 2650, 2717. Right. Let me just show you what this looks like on this chart here. Come on. Wow. Yeah, looking at it on the larger time frame, this is our fib levels. All right, we're currently trading above the 382. Look for the retracement to, like, I mean, 2784 is very reasonable. That's a reversion to the 34. Yeah, I like that one. So break at 25, 27.85 target. Okay. I'll check out Amazon in a minute. Amazon. All right, so that was Mara. Riot. I mean, they're both kind of in the same boat in that they're going to be manipulated by the outcome of this Bitcoin conference. Riot maybe started making the move a little bit early. It's got just a regular block trade that's going to provide resistance coming in at 29.38. Right, there's a block trade. 29.38, and then we've got this one up here at 38 from the last 30 days. That's all the block trades that have come in. This is, every time I say this is, I hear that this is a story about a girl. Anyway, right? To me, this is decision making. All right, the algo could just as easily curl down. I'm not a super fan of Riot. I do like Mara better. Okay, DraftKings is what we need to go over right now. DraftKings came out with some NFT news that it's going to start doing something, providing an NFT platform, something similar to that. There's a block at 42.61. We've got this DraftKings technical standpoint. The pattern looks pretty decent, right? Right, some uptrend. We've got a little breakout above that. You know, we've got some levels over here that we can target. Right, that $50 level is pretty significant for DraftKings, right? Nice bounce off the weekly bottom. Weekly, daily, 4-hour bottom bounce to, you know, we're back in the daily, excuse me, we're back to the 4-hour Keltner channel mid. Looks like we're going to come up and test the $50 level. So if we get above 50, look for 52, then 54. If for some reason we get above 54, then it's 60, followed by 65. The algo is just essentially trading with price action. Well, actually, this is consolidating. The algo's been consolidating for 4 days. So look for that move on DraftKings. We will be following the algo closely. KR, which is, I think, Kroger. I've been kind of looking at this one all week. It's been making some nice wavy moves to the upside. That is a strong uptrend, right? Using the daily bottom as support. We finally got a green grab candle. We had a mid to high compression squeeze released to the upside on the daily. So the daily squeeze released, right? We're currently trading at 40. All right, we're in that weekly cloud top, which is the 4-hour top, daily top. I like this one. If we can get to 42, right, that would be new highs. But it's got a little bit of conviction and momentum behind it, which I do like. The algo is also kind of leading the way, right? It's pretty decent bullish divergence. Block trade clusters are going to provide that resistance. Let me just throw some of those up for you real quick. The first one that we're going to hit, if we haven't already hit it, is the 4103. And then the most upper one is 4140. Right, with some scattered in between, right, about every 10 cents. Like I said, we get above 4140, this is going to release and maybe run for a little bit, okay? On Kroger, let me check it real quick. Oh. Keep in mind, it kind of looks like it may be forming a little head and shoulder too. I just want to... Oh, this is such a great move. Boom, fade, boom. Rolling over. It's at major levels of support right now. Right? Daily, weekly, 4-hour. Right? Those are all super levels of support. I mean, we can probably play it for another dollar or two. It wants to move, right? With that squeeze releasing. TLT, again, it's at the 4-hour bottom, daily bottom. If SPY goes up, TLT is going to go down. But it's at pretty significant levels of support right now. Yeah, I still like that 148.50 level as a base for TLT. I sold my TLT put options yesterday. I just wanted to get clean going into the rest of the week. It just seemed like it needed it for a minute. Kroger. I mean, Kroger looks pretty decent, right? I don't like that it got below the 200 SMA, right? This is a little congestion for it that it's in right now. Just a little bit of congestion. But with the daily squeeze firing off, right? This right here, the slingshot squeeze release, is a pattern I look for all the time, where histogram comes down and turns positive, the squeeze releases. I don't know if it needs to form, right, a bull flag. But that squeeze should continue carrying us high. 2-day, 3-day, 4-day, weekly squeeze are all going to fire to the long side. Positive VWAP, breach the daily current channel top. 4-hour and daily MACDs are all positive. I mean, it looks good. I don't know if it needs to come back and test 40 again one more time to just, make sure that it's there as support before it does take its move up. 3, 4, we may consolidate here on the 15-minute for a minute. But it came out with some positive news. Yeah, like I said, that's the 8 EMA. We may need to come down and tap off of it just to confirm we can move higher. All right, so that was KR. Yeah, that 200 SMA below it really sucks. Getting below that really kind of bites. So it's just going to be a battle of the support, which has got the more power, I guess. All right, so Amazon. Foov? I've never heard of Foov. What is this? RC Moto. One second here. I need to get the right watch list up. All right, so Foov has monthly options. For me, I personally don't like monthly options. I like having weeklies. If it can break and close above 1520, 1530, I think it continue to run. However, the 2, 5, and 15-minute MACDs are curled down, so it may need to pull back. All right, pull back to 14.85. All right, 14.85 for support. 14.75 is support. 15.26 is resistance. A break above 15.26 and we can continue long. The algo on this FUV. FUV, Amazon. What was the other ones you guys wanted me to look at? Really high short interest. Okay, so from the algorithm perspective on FUV, see how Algo is trading with price action, where the Algo is pretty much vertical. That's a good sign. We've got some previous resistances. Like I said, that 15.25 break is going to be pretty significant. All right, 1614. Excuse me. I'll have to look at it, but it might be 1530 break. 1530 break to 1620. But the algo is, obviously the algo is net buying. Nice move yesterday, right? The algo is going to continue to buy. So net buying with overhead resistance at that level. Yeah, we went over the levels. Amazon. So Amazon. Okay. We're currently hitting a dark pool block trade level that came in on the 16th. That's the one here that we gapped down from. Below that, we've got a 3503. Amazon's currently making a nice strong uptrend into previous highs that we need to get above. The algorithm is and has been net buying for the last couple weeks, right? But if you look at this algo in with price action, right? Just right on with price action. So look for support to hold, right? We've got room, right, to some of these previous levels here. I don't know what they are. I mean, I don't want to call them out, but this is what I'd look for, right? I would look for Amazon to break above this level here. So it's going to come up, break above, come back down, test, right? Do the same thing at this level. Right, that's the move we're looking for. If we reject, however, off of these key levels here, look for this to provide support for consolidation for the next couple days. That's Amazon. Really, YouTube? Dude, come on. Why is it being so flippin' lame today? The stream should be fine. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with the stream. Maybe I've got too much crap trying to flow through. I thought I had everything turned off. Right. I thought I had everything turned off. I want it to be a real term. It would be awesome if it was. That's hilarious. That's funny. Yes, we are having stream clarity issues for some reason. Okay. Yeah. I can't into what's causing the blurry stream right now. Without it breaking everything, right? No data, warning. I mean, I'm looking for a message. I'm getting warnings, right? I'm at the current bit rate. Anyway, I'm gonna run through these before the stream dies, right? It's not getting enough data, which is weird. I mean, that's pretty good. I'm still getting 700 megs down, and I'm streaming. I'm getting 31 up. Huh. That's weird. It should be enough to get stuff going through. All right. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with it. It's being a finicky pea. All right, so these are going to be the last ones I can run through real quick. OMI, Docu, Tesla, Piton. Okay. OMI, price actions trading with the algorithm. It looks really heavy. Look for a pullback to about 45, which would be the gap fill on OMI. DocuSign, again, trading with price action. The algo is currently pointed down. Look for a pullback to 300. A break below 300, we come test 290, 291 again. Tesla, this is strong bullish movement on Tesla. Nice basing off of a dark pool level of block trades. So Tesla based off this cluster of block trades yesterday, coming in right at 640 to 637. Right, we based off of that. We broke above that, and now the algo is currently trading with price action. So for Tesla, any of these key previous levels are going to provide a little bit of a resistance, but the algo's net buying. So we've got a level here that we're going to have to get through. Right, we've got a level here, actually. So look for a little bit of congestion, right, in this area. If we break above that area, we can run up to here, right? So 680-ish, right? Right. Peloton. Peloton's interesting in that it looks as if though it's got bullish divergence, or excuse me, bearish divergence. However, this, to me, this looks pretty bullish, where price action is currently trading with the algorithm. We've got a regular block trade level that came in yesterday at 123.66. That's our support level, 123.66, right? Nice, strong uptrend. This is that Wu-Tang reversal, right? Look at Peloton, right? Right, it came down, found support, resistance, support. Nice move to the upside. Yeah, with Peloton, as long as it continues to maintain support, I might look at playing Peloton today. Piton, Kroger, FT. All right. FT was the other one I wanted to look at. And DraftKings. So the focus list is that right? Huh, maybe not FT. I'm not gonna play that guy. Oh, maybe Penn might suffer from DraftKings. I'm gonna look at Mara. I like Mara. Oh, I didn't get to check any out. Penn has got nice bullish divergence with dark pool level support. Yeah, I'm revising it. Crap, I gotta run. So this is the focus. This was the focus list. These are the ones I'm looking at playing. Okay, I have to run. I've got to get some things taken care of. Let me know. All right. I can do pins, but then I have to run. I really do. All right, so Pinterest. So we have regular block trade level support resistance, and then so 73.73 is overhead resistance. Currently 71.60 is support. Right, nice strong uptrend. Damn it, let me just change colors here real quick. Right, the algo's kind of decided it wanted to start net buying again. It's trading with price action, but really this has to maintain support. A break above this area right here, right, that's 73.03, and then we can come and test, you know, some previous levels, right? This would be the little area I would look for. But yeah, the algo looks good. It's trading with price action. Okay, thanks for joining me. This is my focus list for the day, and have a good one. I will see y'all tomorrow. Is my list for day trading today. Thanks for joining me. Hit the like button. Oh crap, sorry. Like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, share it with your friends. Help me out with the algorithm. I'm helping you out with the algorithm. Let's go, baby.